goal today is to get a Makerbot set up on your computer and to be able to export it to a USB. So let's show how we do that. So the first thing is to open up the Makerbot app. There's 3 ways you can do it. The bottom of your dock, there's the thing called a launch pad. You can go on your launch pad. There it is. The second way is to go under Finder, go into Applications. Your Makerbot print is right there. The third and easiest way is there's a search button on the top right. You're going to just type in Makerbot, and it's right here. So go ahead and open that program up. Now, if you want to keep it on your dock, you're going to go ahead and right-click on it, and it says Keep in the Dock. And that way it stays down there so you don't have to search for it every single time. So after you have opened up your Makerbot app, we're going to hit this little tab right here, and we're going to add a printer. So there's 3 ways to add a printer. We want to add an unconnected printer. Then it's going to give you all these options. These are all the type of Makerbots. Y'all have a thing called a sketch. You're going to click on sketch, and then it just set it up. So now I'm going to, has that USB. Now it's set up to export to a sketch through a USB. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now I have nothing to print. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a file to print. So I have just a file, a 3D printer. I'm going to grab a bridge. I just double click on that ST file. And this is our Putnam STEM plus AI education. So now I want to print this out. I'm going to click on that. Go ahead and make this full screen. I'm going to export it. So I make sure I have it clicked, and I'm going to export it. Now I have my USB here, and that's where I want to go. So I'm going to plug in my USB now. Good part of making a video, if I go kind of fast, you can go ahead and rewind it and slow everything down and repeat it. So Store and Go is my USB. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then I'm just going to name this file example. So whenever whenever I plug it into the printer, this is what it's going to pull up as. And I'm going to save it. Now it's exporting it to my USB. And whenever this is done, 84%, it has successfully exported to my USB. So now I have to just eject the USB, and there's 3 ways to do it. The first and easiest ways to do it is from the Finder. There's a little eject button. You can hit eject. The second way to do it is to grab it and throw it away. And the third way is just to right click on it and then hit eject. After you don't see it anymore, that's properly ejected it. So now I can remove it. And now you're going to just plug this USB into your printer and print that example, and you should be good to go. That's just how to add a printer and how to export a file from your Makerbot to a USB. Hey, y'all have a great day. We want y'all using those printers. So if you have any questions, please email me, Lorena.